Hello students, in this video we will learn about forms of leaves. Forms means different types. The lamina of a leaf is an important organ. Lamina means broad expanded blade attached to a leaf. It performs a function like photosynthesis. Leaf of lamina is supported by veins and veinlets which contain vascular bundles for conduction of water, minerals and food. The shape of lamina is different in different species of plants. So the shape of a lamina is different in different types of plants. Leaf shape. The leaves have a different shapes. First one, linear shape. When the veins are parallel to each other, the leaves become long and narrow. Here veins are parallel. They do not branch to one another. The leaves become long and narrow. So example, wheat and paddy. Second type, acicular. The leaves are long, needle shaped. Here the leaves are in a needle shape. Example, pinus. Third type, lanceolate. Lance shaped leaves are called lanceolate. Lance means it is an instrument used for war. It consists handle and steel blade. So in lance shaped leaves are called lanceolate. The leaves are long and have a narrow and pointed apex. In the edge of a leaves have pointed. Example, neem and bamboo. Fourth one, oblong. The leaves is more or less rectangular. Here the leaves are more or less rectangular. Rectangular means box shape. Example, banana. Fifth type, ovate. The leaf is egg shaped. Here the leaf is in egg shaped. Example, hibiscus. Sixth type, cordate. The leaf is heart shaped. The base of leaf has a deep notch. At the base of a leaf it is a deep notch. Notch means V shaped cut. Example, beetle vine. Seventh type, sagittate. The leaf is in arrow shaped with basal lobes acute. Here at the basal lobes acute means less than 90 degree and turn downwards. It somewhat bends to downwards. Example, Sagittaria. Lobe means partial rounded margin of a leaf. Eighth type, hastate. It is also arrow shaped. It is also in arrow shaped, but the two lobes are directed outwards. Here the two lobes are directed outwards. Example, apomia. Ninth type, reniform. The leaf is in kidney shaped, means like a bean shaped. Example, hydrochyle. Tenth type, lunate. The leaf is half moon shaped. It is a half moon shaped structure. Example, adiantum and fern. 11th type, ovate. The leaf is in the reverse of ovate. Here the leaf has a reverse of an ovate. Example, pineapple. 12th type, obcordate. The leaf shape is reverse of a chordate. Here the leaf is in heart shaped and base of leaf has a deep notch. Here the apex of a leaf has a deep notch. Example, Bahunia. 13th type, spanculate. The leaf shape is like a flat spoon. Here the leaf is like a flat spoon or spatula. Example, daisy. 14th type, cunate. The leaf is wedge shaped. Example, pistia. 15th type, elliptical. The leaf shape is like an eclipse in which the length of a leaf is greater than breadth. Here the length is more than a breadth. Example, Vincarosi and Goa. 16th type, rotund. The leaf is circular. So it is in circular structure. Example, Nasturtium. 17th type, flagellate. The leaf is sickle shaped. Here the leaf is in a sickle shaped structure. Example, Melia. The types of leaves. First one, linear. See here the veins are parallel to each other. Next, acicular, needle shaped structure. Next, lanceolate, lance shaped. Oblong, more or less rectangular. Ovate means egg shaped. Cordate means heart shaped structure. Sagittate, arrow shaped. Hastate, here it is also arrow shaped, and here see lobes are outwards. Here lobes are downwards. Next, reniform, kidney shaped structure. Next, lunate, half mooned structure. It is ovate structure. Next, obcordate. Here it is a reverse of a chordate. See here the apex is a deep notch. Next, spanculate, like a spoon. Next, cunate, wedge shaped structure. Here the apex are broader than base. Here it will tapers at the base and wider at the apex. Next, elliptical, eclipse like a shape. Next, rotund, circular in structure. Next, fleccate, sickle shaped structure. Next topic, leaf margin. In that, first step, entire. When the margin of the leaf is smooth and even. Here when the margin of a leaves are in smooth and even, it is called margin type. So example, magnifera. Second type, wavy. The margin of a leaf is in wavy. Example, polyaltae. Third type, serrate. The margin of leaf is cut like the teeth of a saw. Here the margin is like a teeth of a seesaw with the teeth pointed upwards. Example, rose. Next step, dennate. The margin is toothed but the teeth are directed outwards. Here the teeth are directed outwards at right angle to margin. Example, water lily. Fifth type, crenate. The margin has a blunt. Blunt means it is not having a sharp edge and rounded teeth. Example, hydrocotyle. Sixth type, spiny. Margin has a small pointed spines. Example, pineapple and argemone. Seventh type, lobed. The margin is very much lobed and dissected. Lobe means partial rounded margin of a leaf. First type, entire. Here see, the margin of leaf is smooth and even. Next, wavy. The margin of leaf is like a wave. Serrate. Serrate. Here the teeth are pointed upwards direction. Next, serenate. Teeth are blunt and rounded teeth. Here blunt means it's not having a sharp edge and rounded teeth. Next, dentate. Teeth are directed outwards at a right angle. Next, spiny. Here the margin of a leaf having a spine structures. Next, lobed. It is a very much lobed at margin. Leaf apex. The apex is the terminal end of the lamina. In that first step, acute. Apex is the narrow and pointed. At the apex of a leaf, it is a narrow and pointed. Example, magnifera. Second type, spiny. Apex is pointed like a thorn. Here the apex of a leaf is pointed like a thorn. Example, pineapple. Third type, acuminate. The apex is drawn out in the form of a long narrow tail. Here the apex of a leaf is outward in the form of a tail structure. Example, ficus religiosa. Fourth type, tendrilar. The apex is modified into a tendril. Example, gloriosa. Fifth type, obtuse. The apex is broad and blunt. Here the apex of a leaf is in a broad and blunt, not having a sharp edge. Example, banyan. Sixth type, micronate. The apex is broad with a sharp point at the tip. At the tip, it has a sharp point and the apex is broad. Example, vincarosia. Seventh type, cirrus. The apex ends into a fine thread-like structure. Here, the apex it will ends into a fine thread-like structures. Example, banana. Eighth type, truncate. The apex seems to be abruptly cut across. Example, sagopalm. Here, suddenly, abruptly means suddenly changes. It suddenly changes the apex of leaf and it cuts partial lines of a leaf. Ninth type, reduce. The apex is obtuse and is provided with a distinct notch. Obtuse means more than 90 degree and provided with a distinct notch. Notch means a deep V-shaped cut. Example, pistia. Tenth type, immigrant. The obtuse apex is deeply notched. Here at the apex it is deeply notched means deeply V-shaped cut. Example, Bahuinia. Here first one, acute. Apex is narrow and pointed. Next, spiny. The apex is thorn structure. Next, acuminate. The apex is drawn like a tail structure. Next, tendrilar. The apex is in tendrilar. It modified into a tendril. Next, obtuse. Apex is broad and blunt. Next, micronate. Sharp pointed at the tips. Cirrus. Fine thread-like structure at the apex. Next, trinicate. At the apex, it abruptly cut across. Next, reduce. Here, it is deeply notched and it is obtuse. Means more than 90 degree. It is having a distinct notches. Next, immigrant. Here, it is a deeply notched and it is also an obtuse. At the apex, it is a deeply notched. Next topic, leaf surface. In that first type, glabrous. The surface of the leaf is smooth and hairless. Here the surface of a leaf, it has a smooth and hairless. Example, magnifier. Second type, glaucous. The surface of a leaf is covered with a thin coat of wax. Here the thin coat of wax is covered to a surface of leaf. Example, calotropous. Third type, scabrous. The surface is rough. Example, ficus. Here the surface of a leaf is somewhat hard. Fourth type, viscose. The surface is sticky due to some secretion. Here due to some secretion, the surface is sticky. Sticky means like a gum. Example, clemos and nicotina. Fifth type, rugose. The surface is wrinkled. Example, rubus. Sixth type, gland dotted. Gland are present on the surface. Here the surface of a leaf present some glands. Example, in a lemon. Seventh type, hairy. The surface is covered with the hairs. Eighth type, spiny. Some small prickles present on the surface. Here some spines are present on the surface. Example, brinjal. Next, leaf texture. Texture means it represents the overall surface of a leaf. In that first type, herbaceous. The leaf is thin and membranous. Here, when the leaf is in thin and membranous, it is called herbaceous. Example, rose. Second type, coriaceous. The leaf is firm. Firm means somewhat stiff and leathery. Example, mango. Third type, brittle. The leaf is firm but breaks easily. Here, the leaf is stiff but it will breaks easily. Example, Nyctanthus. Four types succulent. The leaf is soft and juicy. Here the leaf is soft and juicy but breaks when folded. When we fold the leaf, then it will break easily. Example, Bryophyllum. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe.